Alright, so you guys haven't been in my room in a little bit. It's been a few minutes. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what my weekly, this is weekly, what the weekly package list looks like. So, let me just move this note from my little friend. Alright, so right here we have pretty much what, there's a few more things that should be added. Pretty much this is just like, oh, there's another one. So this is pretty much like what I've been buying, what I've been selling. So right here, this thing, I got this bad boy for I think 22. Super hard to catch up on camera apparently. I got this bad boy for 22, super pretty, and I'm gonna sell it for 35, I believe. This one is being sold right now, which is why it's over there. These two are also being sold. I got this one for 21, if it would focus. Put it farther away. Alright, so this one, I got this one for 21. 21, I'm going to sell it for 26, I believe, maybe 28, depending on how I feel. This one actually just barely came in the mail. I might be keeping this one just because I think it's cool. A little blue case with like the gold. I think it's nice. We got a few bills. We have a few more bills. We have some plaques. We have a few rolls of things. These are full. We have some special things. Let's see if this one will focus. That is a Mother's Day 1970s bar that I got I actually got it in a trade. So I acquired this one along with this one and then this roll for about 500. I'm gonna sell it for about 6. So that's just like what I have in stock right now. And then I can't like show you like super detailed because that one's got like an address on it, but we have all of these packages. So I'm just going to move this black one. I'll probably have to blur it out. I'll probably have to blur all of this out, but we have all of these packages. We have like 2 more. We got some 2 big box, like all of this kind of stuff. Some of them aren't taped up and ready to go yet. As you can see, they're full of everything. And yes, I did just buy some new shoes. So, that is kind of just like what I have in stock. I have a little bit in stock right now. We're kind of just figuring it out. I just wanted to show you guys this as well. So, it's kind of a work in progress still, but that's going to be like the mic, I guess. I don't know, I'm still figuring it out. And then here's like a wall. I just thought it looked pretty cool. Yeah, so that's pretty much like, that's where I edit my videos and everything. Hopefully this video is going to be better. So let's just change to the normal setting of all set up. Alright, so now we're back in the garage again. Hopefully this video has been a little bit better. I mean, I know that my last video was super boring, super not like descriptive and all this kind of stuff. So I tried to like give a little bit better of a description. So now I'm going to talk about what I buy and how I buy it and then how I sell it and who I sell it to, okay? So, pick a niche, whatever you want to call it, okay? I picked coins because I knew what it was, I liked it, I thought it was fun, I thought it was cool. You can do bikes, you can do cars, you can do whatever you want, okay? For right now, we're just going to be doing coins because I know what it is and I know how to describe it and how to explain it. It's pretty much similar for everything else. It might have a few little different kinks and twists, but it's pretty to the point and it's, yeah, okay? So, first, you need to figure out what you want to sell and what you want to buy, okay? Once you figure out what you want to sell and what you want to buy, go to eBay, look at all the sellings, look at all the listings, look at everything. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down, click on sold and completed items, okay? What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find the highest, the lowest, and then find the median. The median is all of them added together and then divide it and find the average. Just find the average, Google it. It's super simple. If I don't describe it well enough, I'm not that good at math, so I have to use a calculator too. It's okay, it doesn't matter. So find the average and then go a little bit lower than that, okay? So for those few things that I just showed you guys, the one that I got for 21, the average was about 22. So if I can find one for below 22 for that specific set, I'll definitely buy it. If I find one at 22, I'll probably take it, but at like 23, 24 range, it's a little bit iffy depending on what it is and what it looks like. So after you figure out the median and you figure out what you want to buy, then you need to figure out how to buy it, okay? eBay is a great place, locally is a great place. I use Instagram sometimes, I use Facebook Marketplace. Anything that you can pretty much buy something on is a good place to figure it out. KSL, the other one, Craigslist, I couldn't remember what it was called. Craigslist is great. Anything that you can pretty much buy and sell locally definitely works, because then you don't have to pay for shipping, you don't have to pay for taxes, you don't have to pay for any of this kind of junk that all those other places like Amazon charge you. So it makes it cheaper in the long run. Now, yes, if you want to buy in like bulk or something, Amazon and like other places probably will be easier just because they have it and you don't have to look for it. But once you know how to buy it and you find it, okay, I found this mint set, it's $21. It's gonna cost me $4 to ship it, so I'll get it for $25. That means I could sell it for $24 plus shipping, which means I'll sell it for $28 and make $3 profit off of that, plus a little bit more off of shipping, because if you use the if you use the right account, you're not gonna have to charge. No, that's wrong. Because if you use the right websites to get best shipping prices, you're not gonna spend $4 on shipping. Hey, yesterday I had to print like 20 shipping labels and I spent like 50 bucks on it. 20 times 4 is definitely not $50. It's 80 bucks. 20 times 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. Just making sure. I told you guys I wasn't good at math. Hopefully this video was a little bit helpful. Now, once you want to sell something, I don't know why I just said that last sentence, I'll probably just cut it out. But once you figure out how to sell something, all right, you're gonna wanna buy it. Usually what I try to do, because sometimes people get a little bit salty if I buy something on OfferUp and then I list it the same day. Sometimes what I'll try to do is buy something on Facebook Marketplace and then move it over to OfferUp or to LetGo or to Craigslist or to Instagram or anywhere other than Facebook Marketplace, just for a few days until like it moves over and like the guy won't see it again, the person you bought it from, so that he won't get salty or whatever. Like, oh, why, like you said this was a bad price, you can only give me 24. Why are you selling it for 29? That's like what it was originally. So you know, sometimes people get salty, and then it's just like it's a waste of time. Like they can't do anything, but it's just a waste of time, and I just don't like dealing with it. So I'm just trying to like give you guys some helpful tips to get over that kind of stuff. Sorry, I'm fixing my sock right now. It's like itching. I had to fix it. Okay, and then once you sell it, what I've been doing is, yes, I'm going to buy it for 21, and then yes, I'll probably sell this one for 26 in this scenario, so I'll make $5, okay? I will profit $5, okay? And like, we're not being super stickler, we're not like taking gas and expenses and like all this kind of stuff. Just for right now, we're keeping it simple. We're gonna be making $5 off of that, okay? Maybe a little bit more, but we're gonna keep it simple because 5 is an easy number to multiply and all that kind of stuff. What I do is, since I bought one for 25 or 21, once I bought one for 21, I know I can buy another one for 21. So what I do is, once I've sold it and I have the money, okay, it's in my PayPal account, in my Venmo, in cash, in my bank account, wherever, I set that 21 aside. That's wrong, no. Once I have it in my bank account, I set that $5 aside that I profited. I set the profit aside, and then I reinvest that $21. Now, you could do it totally different. You could reinvest 20, you could reinvest 10. You don't even have to reinvest any of it. But what I do is I just set the profit aside in like a savings account or just in cash, depending on what it is, and then I reinvest the other amount. And that just, it won't build it super fast depending on what kind of items you're buying and reselling, but it will definitely help you grow slowly yet exponentially when you start doing multiple deals, multiple listings, multiple sales. So that's just a tip that I think gets me better. Like, I just feel, and I know I was in the middle of a sentence, but I like talking to you guys. You know, I like having conversations. I just like being myself in front of you guys. Like, this is me talking to one of you guys, to one of my viewers, to one of my homies. I'm just talking, you know, I'm just spitting what I want to say. I just say what I want to say, do what I want to do. So, and if you do take that $5 out and then, you know, $2, $3, $4, $10, $20, sometimes it's like $50 for me, like $5, another $5, another $3, another $2, another $5, another $10. Like, it slowly adds up. So if you do want to buy a bigger package, or you do want to go like go out and party with the homies or go do something that you wouldn't usually be able to do, you'll have that little bit of extra money that you can be able to do it. And since you already have it, the other stuff reinvested, that money is all yours to do whatever you want with it, because you already have that money moving, constantly bringing you in new profit, constantly just refluctuating and all this kind of stuff. Like, hey, if you think about this, that $21 could be bringing me constant profit throughout the entire year, depending on what prices look like and what everything happens. But that $21 could make me grow into $500 or $1,000 or even $10,000 by the end of the year. You know, I mean, I made $1,000 last week. We're still currently sitting at like 1,100. I just kind of wanted to like show you guys what the process looks like, and I wanted to make like an actual good video that I just wasn't like rushing. I just wanted to spend some time and just update you guys. I know that I haven't been doing a lot of cool videos. I'm hopefully gonna be making some dope content in the near coming future with one of my friends, one of my homies, close homies. His name is Tice, or Travis, whatever you want to call him. Hopefully we'll be getting some cool shots. Here's some photos that I just took, and I edited them. I've been working with photos lately. I think they turned out great. If you guys think they turned out good, just let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully this helped. Hopefully this was a good video. I'm proud of this video. I'm probably gonna cut that out, but I'm happy with this video. I'm happy with what's going on. So I love you guys, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Be safe. All right, adios, homies.